Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you the behind the scenes of a fitness shoot in the studio using 3 to 4 lights. Now, this video is going to be a little bit different than most videos I do. And this one, it's going to be less talking like this and more just you being a fly on the wall. The way that I learn best is by watching. The way that I learn the best is by seeing other people shoot and then just observing the small differences between one photographer to another. And so on this video, there's very little interaction with you. It's just you watching a photo shoot go down. What you're going to see is 75 images straight out of camera and then some minor adjustments made in Capture One. No editing done, just a raw image and then a slight tweak. Camera settings will be listed in the video. And that's about it. Hopefully you find value in the video. And if you do, please leave a comment, a share, or a like. Lean back. Right there. On the upper body, bring the upper body back this way a little more. Right there, perfect. Let's take this hand, let's go across the forehead. Right there, perfect. When it's here, bicep. Here, press in. Like that, perfect. Core. Just turn the face this way a little more. Bring that left shoulder down a tiny bit more. Bring that shoulder here. Yep, chin. Right there, perfect, perfect. Turn the face more to your right. When you turn your face, tilt this way. Right there, little gap in the mouth. Right there, perfect. Deep breath in, exhale. Good. Quads. Activate that right quad. Good, bend. It's gonna be a big twist. Yep, when you rotate core this way, the rotation here is to make sure that the glutes pop. Now rotate your shoulders back to the right. Right there, perfect. Good. Core. Good. Let's go on eye contact here. Right there, perfect. Rotate both hands. Grab the underside and then pull up. With the hands a little bit more to the side, right there. Grab, right there. Like that, perfect, good. Face back towards me. When you go here, bring the shoulders back down. Good, turn the face heavy to the right, right there, perfect. When you're looking down towards your right side, when you push here, right there. And the face back towards me, right there, perfect. Get the hair out of the face. That same here, when that arm's here, face straight to me, chin up a little more. Chin more to me. Right there, good. On the legs, just bend a tiny bit, just activate the quads. Right there. Core. Turn the face more to your right. Right there, perfect. Hold, don't move. Easy. Got it. Right there, good. Do the same, rotate. Oh, don't move, don't move. The light has got to be perfect, you know what I mean? Turn the face more. Your face looking towards your reflection here, right there. Push your hips back as much as you can. Right there. Now just turn the face that way. Lean back. Right there. Rotate more to the right. Rotate shoulders more to the right. Let's push all the hair back up again. Actually, when you're standing, stand facing that way. Take a half step to your right. Move your right foot all the way up to the wall. Right there. There. Yep. Yep. Lean upper body back towards me. Turn your face to the left. When you push all the hair towards the right side and then drop your hands back down. Right there, right there. Good. Let the hands just fall. Back looks insane. Good. I want your face looking at your reflection here. Push all the hair up over. Do you have extensions in? Push all the hair up over that way. Yeah. And then over to the right side. Yep, like that. Yep, yep. Now stand up a little bit taller. One more big step. I want you kind of in line with this light up here. Right there. Now slide to your right. Like that. Hang tight, hold. Take a half step to your right. One more half step. Right there. Then lean towards your upper body to your right. So your weight, yep. Bring your right elbow back more. Now lean back. Take the left hand more on top of the head. Take the right hand to the neck. Right there. Now lower the right shoulder. Lift up the right, or the left shoulder up, right shoulder down. Lean your head, yep. Lean your head more towards the right. Take the left hand back up to the base of the neck. Take a half step, don't move. Hang tight. All right, add another light. Let's do that back shot again. I wanna get your posing. When you're here, when you arch, elongate, your ham's gonna pop when you arch lower back. When you're up here, I want your body, your chest, everything to be pointing at that back wall. But then when you just push your hips to the right, I don't want any twist at all, just hips to the right. And then on the shoulders, when your weight's on the right side, that right shoulder's gonna go down. Yep, but I want your chest to still be facing forward. Push hips more to your right, like that, perfect. Now just turn your face to the left. When you turn your face, I want your face looking kind of in the corner. Right there, perfect. Now take that right hand to the base of the neck. Lean upper body to the right more, right there. Think of like your left elbow being pulled up all the way to the sky. Turn the, yep. Like that, perfect. Take the right hand, go to the back of the head. Let's go to the back side. Rotate shoulders more to the right. Right there, perfect. On the left side, pull the left side all the way up. Left side, right there, perfect. Now lean back like you're doing a big stretch. Right there, hold it. Push hips more. Drop the shoulders down a tiny bit. The shoulders right there, perfect. Bring both shoulder blades back towards me. Biceps flexed. Good. Push the hips more to the right. Now you're gonna do a small twist with the belly button, tiny twist to the left. Right there. A little bit more. So on that, keep the belly button there. Now rotate the chest to the right. Big twist, yep. Now lean back. Right there. Perfect. Chin up. Relax. Physique is insane, chica. Muscles look dope. Well, if you're still here, hopefully you found some value. If you have any questions about anything that you saw, please leave me a comment down below. And until next time, keep shooting.